The wood frog is a fascinating amphibian renowned for its unique ability to survive freezing temperatures during winter. Found across North America, particularly in regions with harsh winters, the wood frog employs an extraordinary hibernation strategy that allows it to endure extreme cold. Unlike most animals that seek shelter to maintain a stable body temperature, the wood frog essentially freezes solid. During this period, up to 70% of its body water turns to ice, and its vital processes, including breathing, heartbeat, and metabolic activity, come to a halt. The key to this survival lies in the frog's production of cryoprotectants, primarily glucose and urea, which act as natural antifreeze. When temperatures drop, the frog's liver rapidly produces glucose, which floods its cells and tissues. This high concentration of glucose prevents ice crystals from forming inside the cells, which could otherwise puncture cell membranes and cause irreversible damage. Simultaneously, urea accumulates in the frog's body, further enhancing its ability to resist freezing damage. These cryoprotectants ensure that ice formation is limited to extracellular spaces, leaving the cells intact despite the freezing conditions. Wood frogs hibernate in shallow, insulated locations such as leaf litter, under logs, or in other natural debris. These sites are not deep enough to avoid freezing but provide some protection from the elements. As temperatures plummet, the frog's body temperature drops to match its surroundings, initiating the freezing process. The ice formation is carefully controlled, beginning in the frog's body cavity and gradually spreading outward. This gradual freezing prevents sudden temperature shocks and allows the frog to safely enter a frozen state. During hibernation, the wood frog's body remains completely still, and it appears lifeless. Its eyes may become opaque, and its skin stiffens, giving it the appearance of a frozen statue. Remarkably, the frog can survive in this state for several months, enduring temperatures as low as -8 degrees Celsius, 17 degrees Fahrenheit. When spring arrives and temperatures rise, the ice within the frog's body slowly thaws. The heart begins to beat again, blood circulation resumes, and the frog regains mobility within hours. This remarkable revival is a testament to the wood frog's resilience and evolutionary adaptation to cold climates. The wood frog's ability to freeze and thaw repeatedly without harm has intrigued scientists, particularly those studying cryopreservation and organ transplantation. Understanding the mechanisms behind this natural process could have significant implications for medical research, such as improving techniques for preserving human tissues and organs. The wood frog's hibernation strategy is not only a marvel of nature but also a source of inspiration for advancing science and technology. This extraordinary adaptation highlights the resilience and ingenuity of life in overcoming environmental challenges. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.